Hello. Let's talk about requesting fuel. Okay, so let's see it right there. I've got less than 1/4 of a tank, right? So I've got this new load, and I said that I have less than 1/4 of a tank. So basically, you go through, you accept the new load, and it says, okay, how much fuel do you have? And I said I've got less than 1/4 of a tank. And right here up top, it says no fuel solution available at this time. That's one thing that I've noticed about this Qualcomm here is that, and I can't vouch for anybody else, but for me, anytime I said that I had less than 1/4 of a tank, it says no fuel solution. I don't know why, but what I've noticed is that if I say that I've got 1/4 of a tank, it'll go ahead and say, hey, you can fuel at this spot here. You know, the last load that I had the ability to fuel here at this Flying J in Birmingham, Alabama. So with it saying that there's no fuel solution available, and I'm right here, I don't understand why it can't see the Flying J here in Alabama that I'm at. But so anyway, so if that happens, you just go through your workflow tab, go into send message, and then request fuel. You know, so I'll see what happens. I've already done that a few minutes ago, so we'll see if maybe it can locate something. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna go ahead and fuel right here just because I was told to from the last load. You know, even though I'm not told to now, but I'll do it from the last load. So yeah. So anytime you've got less than 1/4, it can't find you anything. But if you have 1/4, or you say that you do have 1/4 even though you may have less than 1/4, it'll go ahead and find something for you. I don't know why that is. So anyway, so we'll see what happens. Still waiting on it to upload, and it's not doing anything right now, so I may just go ahead and fuel here when I leave. So anyway, so until next time, you guys have a great one. Bye.